In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Hubstaff, a leading time tracking software designed for managing remote teams. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth login experience. First off, we'll need to begin by navigating to the Hubstaff login page. If you're familiar with doing this, feel free to skip ahead. For everyone else, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, simply type Hubstaff login and hit enter. This should bring up a list of search results. Look for the official Hubstaff website, which is usually one of the top results, and click on it. Alternatively, you can directly enter account.hubstaff.com login into your browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the login page, bypassing the search process altogether. Now that we're on the login page, you'll notice fields where you can input your account details. Here, you need to enter your registered email address and password. It's crucial here to double check your entries for accuracy. A simple typo can lead to login errors which are easily avoidable. If you'd like your browser to remember your credentials for next time, you can choose the Remember Me option if you're on a personal device. This saves time in the future, but avoid using this feature on shared or public computers for security reasons. After ensuring that your email and password are correctly entered, it's time to proceed by clicking on the Sign In button, usually located beneath the input fields. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be greeted by Hubstaff's dashboard, where you can start tracking time or managing your team's tasks. But what if you encounter issues? Sometimes you might forget your password. Don't worry. Hubstaff has a straightforward way to recover it. Simply look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Clicking this will guide you through the steps to reset your password, typically involving receiving an email with a link to create a new one. Follow the instructions carefully